Hello investors, my name is Dahan and welcome back to No One Place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 5 potential altcoins to buy on this bull market run. So right now in the past 24 hours, the market is up about 2.76%. Our top gainers in the past 24 hours can be Harvest Finance. I've never actually heard of this token right here or this coin. It is up 134.63%. So some massive gains happening in the past 24 hours on this one. So keep an eye out on that one. Let's see what happens with it in the next 24 hours. Highest volume, like usual, is going to be Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's volume is usually, the highest as well. So Bitcoin right now is still trading around this 40,000 area. We've been staying around this area for about 2 or 3 days now, and hopefully we're going to break it through, break out through this channel, continue to go further on up throughout this weekend. I hope that we do not get a market sell-off during the weekend, because that would bring us back to the levels that we don't want to see, probably under 35,000. So hopefully going into Saturday and Sunday, we continue a momentum run on the way up, and that will definitely benefit us. Now, Ethereum definitely outpacing the market right now, up 5.5% at 2,400. So we're seeing an Ethereum breakout right there, which is beautiful. And you see this altcoins, the altcoins are starting to break out as well. What type of signal is this, showing us, guys? Are these altcoins all going to start, moving on higher? Very bullish, sentiment right here. So very interesting what's going on with the rest of these altcoins. They're all very, very bullish right now. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is staying flat around this 40,000 area for about 2 or 3 days now. So leave a comment below, letting me know, what do you think is going on in the market right now? Are we seeing the altcoins push on higher as the large cap coins stay steady right now? Let me know. But guys, before we get into this countdown, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video, guys. I know we can do it. We're aiming for 40,000 subscribers, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, if you want to sign up for Webull, there's going to be a link in the description. Get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300 when you sign up today. So let's get into it, guys. So the first altcoin is going to be Neo. Neo is up about 3.1% in the past 24 hours, trading at $35.26. In the past week, it's up 21%. In the past month, it's pretty much trading flat, only up 1% from lows of about $26 or $25. In the past year, it is up 203% from about $13 or so all the way up here to highs of about $140 in May, which was huge. Then we saw it go all the way down to $43. So, over 60 or 70% of its market cap was slashed, I guess you could say, just in a matter of days as the market, pulled back down. Everything was way overbought. And we saw a market pullback, obviously, as the large cap coins, start to go down. The mid cap and the low cap coins start to follow that same pattern. And as you guys can see, the pattern is going on right now as the large cap coins go up. The mid cap and the small cap coins start to trend on higher as well. So right now, the market cap on Neo is going to be at 2.6 billion. Volume is going to be at 305 million in the past 24 hours. So Neo is a cryptocurrency and a smart contract platform that supports applications written in a variety of programming languages. Fees for deploying and running smart contracts are paid with gas, a separate token that you guys can also take a look into. So Neo is definitely an interesting coin, and if we can get back just up to these prices that we were trading at around $140 or so, that would be a nice 3 or 4x opportunity, and bring this one back to closer to that 10 billion market cap valuation. And that's definitely something that I could see possibly happening in the next few years. But obviously most of these are going to be long term outlooks. Obviously, there's a lot of potential in the short term as well. As you guys can see, in the past week, it's made a bullish run here, 21% or so, which is a decent amount. So that's going to be our first altcoin. Our second altcoin is going to be Aave. So Aave is definitely another popular coin on the channel, guys. This one is up 7% today. It is trading at $318 right now or so. In the past week, this one is up about 14%. In the past month, over 33.59%. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, over 61,000%, guys. This one at one point here, when it was trading at $670 in May, this one was up actually about 100,000%. And you could have bought this coin at around 50 cents last October when it started trading. So imagine turning 50 cents into $670. Honestly, everybody has 50 cents, and if you don't, you could probably go walk outside on the street somewhere, and within a few hours or a few minutes, you could probably pick up enough change to get 50 cents, and that 50 cents invested in Aave could have turned into $670 here at the top in May 17th. So massive gains were made on Aave for any investors that got into this coin on early on. And even if you're still holding it, $300 from 50 cents, still decent gains right there. Obviously, we saw that pullback and then continue to go lower and lower all the way to 180 or 170. And then since then, we've been on an uptrend, which is obviously positive. So market cap only being at around 4.1 billion right now. Volume in the past 24 hours on Aave is going to be at 359.3 million. So Aave, this is an Ethereum token that powers Aave, a decentralized non-custodial money market protocol where users can participate as depositors or borrowers. Now, depositors provide liquidity to the market to earn a passive income, while the borrowers are able to, borrow cryptocurrencies in exchange for paying a variable interest rate. So Aave is one of those greener coins, better for the environment, obviously, compared to Bitcoin or things like that. So that is why it had a little bit of a pop here, obviously, when Tesla said it wasn't going to be accepting Bitcoin anymore. That's when a lot of these green altcoins started to pop on higher. And then we saw obviously the market pulled back and everything kind of fell with it as well. So that's going to be our second coin. Our third coin, Binance Coin, so BNB, very popular one. You guys should all know Binance Coin. It's one of the top coins out there right now. It is up 2.3%, trading at $320. In the past week, this one's up 9%. In the past month, about 6% or so. So it's lagging behind a little bit. But obviously on the 1 year chart, this coin is still up over 1,500%, guys. So this coin was trading at around $20 or so last July. Came here to highs of over $690 in May. Obviously, since then, we've lost about 50% or so of our market value, but it did hit lows down here of about $262 or so in May, and we've been consolidating sideways for 2 months, and we're finally seeing a little bit of an uptrend right now. So we're hoping for this uptrend to continue and possibly come back to these levels like we used to be just a few months ago. Now, market cap on Binance Coin is 54.3 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 1.5 billion. So you guys already know this is a cryptocurrency used to pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Fees paid at Binance Coin on the exchange receive a discount. So another very, very popular coin, guys. One of the bigger, larger market cap coins, as it's over 50 billion right now. So these are one of those large cap coins that I talk about on the channel, like Ethereum and Bitcoin. This one's only about, Ethereum is trading at around 200 billion or so. Binance Coin at 54 billion or so. So it is a little bit smaller, but it's getting up there, guys. So that is going to be our third one. Our fourth altcoin is going to be Stellar Lumens XLM. This one, another low market cap. This one is 3.6% higher today. In the past week, 5% past month. It's actually down 2% or so, but it was trading at even down here lower at 19 cents. Now we're trading at 28 cents right now. In the past year, this one is up over 187%. Last July, it was trading at 9 cents. Here in May, we saw it go to 79, almost 80 cents or so. Then a huge pullback to the 40s. And then after the 40s, it just continued to go lower and lower. So that is a pattern that we've also seen as most of the other altcoins, traded sideways with the large cap coins. Some altcoins continued the downward trend. And then we also had some coins that continued an upward trend, going against the market, which, is a normal thing. Obviously, it can happen. We have outliers in the market where they don't follow the exact patterns that everything else does. So they're a little bit different, but you can definitely find these types of, outliers in the market. So 6.4 billion market cap on this one. Volume in the past 24 hours at 453.1 million. So this one, Stellar Lumens XLM, powers the Stellar Payment Network. Stellar aims to connect banks, payment systems, and individuals quickly and reliably. So definitely an interesting coin with a low market cap. And then last but not least, at the number 5 spot, we have Solana, a very, very green coin. We've talked about this one many, many times, guys, and it's been on fire today, so we definitely have to talk about it once again. It is up 16%, making some massive movements. It is at $32.16 right now. In the past week, it's up 16%. Past month, it's actually down 5% from lows of about $22. And just like we said, 24 hours ago, this one was trading around $27, and we've seen this, momentum play. So definitely moving higher. In the past year, it's up over 1,800% from that $1.69 level in July 30th. All the way up here to highs of over $58 or so in May. Obviously, we saw a pullback here with the rest of the market. Then it continued to go higher, pull back down, came higher, and then pull back down. Now we're hoping to make that uptrend higher and break through that resistance and continue to go higher even after that. So market cap on this one, 8.8 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 522.8 million. So this one is a decentralized computing platform that uses SOL to pay for transactions. Solana aims to improve blockchain scalability by using a combination of proof of stake consensus and a so-called proof of history. As a result, they say they can support 50,000 transactions per second without having to sacrifice decentralization, guys. So what do you guys think about these coins, guys? Solana, another greener coin, just like Aave is. You let me know in the comments below, are any of these coins on your watch list or not? And as always, let's get into the rest of these coins and see how the market is performing. So right now, if we take a look, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin pretty much flat, like we said, trading around that 40,000 area, bouncing back and forth. It cannot break through this 40,500 area. It keeps bouncing right back down. As you can see, pretty much since right here, July 26th, about 4 days actually now. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, it tried to break through this 40,000 area. Still can't break it. We're trading sideways. It's getting, this coil is getting very, very, very tight, and we're going to see an explosion on the upside or explosion on the downside, one or the other, guys. Let's see which one is going to happen first. Hopefully we get some momentum and go on the upside. We definitely want to see it break through that 42,000 area. So it's up 23% the past week. In the past month, 10% or so. And then obviously on the 1 year chart, over 257%. But look at this huge, uptrend right here that we saw just in the past week. This is a beautiful uptrend, and we're hoping for it to continue and come back to those resistance areas that we've been, in the past. So 754.6 billion right now, market cap on Bitcoin. So Ethereum, definitely breaking out. So Ethereum is breaking out, guys. Definitely nice to see. It's kind of breaking out of that pattern from Bitcoin. So even though Bitcoin's flat, Ethereum said, okay, it's time for me to make some movements once again, just like I was in April. So right now, it is up 5.5%, trading around this 2,400 area. In the past week, it's up 19%. Past month, 11% from lows of 1,700 or so. So decent gains right there. In the past year, this coin is destroying it, up 621% from lows of 350 or so, hitting highs of 4,400 right here, pulled back down, traded sideways, and now we see a little bit of a breakout. Hopefully we can come back to about 2,800 level and then break out through that channel that we've been trading for a while. Market cap on Ethereum, 281.1 billion. Obviously, it's still very, very far behind Bitcoin, but we believe that in the future, it will have a flip, and we'll see that flippening happen. So Doge is pretty much following the same pattern as Bitcoin. It's only up about 0.5% or so, pretty much flat. In the past week, 7%. Past month, down 21%. Doge was going to continue this downtrend if the bull market didn't happen. Doge would have been, pretty much the end of it. I mean, it is the end of it in my opinion. I don't think it's going to be, getting back to those $1 levels anytime soon, in my opinion. Maybe not even ever. Market cap 26.8 billion. I know there's a lot of enthusiasts that believe that Doge is going to reach that $1 level. I personally don't think so, at least not anytime soon. But you never know, 5, 10, 15, 20 years in the future, anything can happen, guys. So, guys, those are going to be our altcoins on the list and how the rest of the market is performing. If you guys enjoy this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. We're aiming for 40,000 subscribers. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Leave a comment below. What crypto are you looking at right now? Are we going to get to that resistance area with Bitcoin above 42,000 or not? Let me know your predictions in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.